Switching to compressed natural gas or CNG is not just an environmental choice, it is a smart financial decision. CNG offers fuel savings of up to 40% compared to petrol and diesel, making it ideal for high mileage users, fleet operators, and daily commuters. With more stable pricing and lower taxes, CNG reduces monthly fuel expenses significantly. Additionally, CNG engines experience cleaner combustion, which leads to less wear and tear, longer engine life, and reduced maintenance costs. For businesses, the return on investment is accelerated through lower operating costs and government incentives for clean fuel adoption. MeghaGas supports this transition with a growing network of CNG stations across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, ensuring reliable access and minimal downtime. Whether you are converting a personal vehicle or managing a commercial fleet, CNG delivers long-term economic value while contributing to a greener future.